Okay, wacht, zet, relax, relax. Kijk, op, 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 op.
What's up everyone? So I'm guessing you already know what this video is going to be about. So this was actually recorded about 2 years ago. I just want to mention there might be some minor changes to the course and the setup overall. The location of the river rafting in this video is in Parys. I think it's nice and close to Rafting. If you want to have an alternative option, I think you'll have to look at something like Clarence in the Free State. Also, I'll link down the website of the provider of this river rafting. It's not a sponsored or advertisement of them. I just really enjoyed the setup and the way they do things. It was loads of fun, so enjoy the video that follows.
Maqueto. Relax. Atrás. Langs. Pikir. Okay. Was het amper verkeerd kant zien, dat is nog. Oké, zo kom. Zet een rescue mission. Lisa, you spawn.
So getting to the halfway break, so it's a bit more than I think 1.5 hours before you get to this section. Here you can actually get out, stretch some legs, and then have a nice complimentary cold drink. I also just want to mention this was my first river rafting experience. So, you know, if you think you're an amateur and you need training, you don't really need. There's a nice debriefing before you start. So I think this place offers it for everyone. I think it's also a 2-seater boat. The whole rafting experience takes about 3 hours to get to the bottom. It's actually where you start from. And then also, I just want to mention or recommend that you should take a hat, eat something before you do this, and then also a lot of sunscreen, because you might end up getting burned quite bad. Then also try and do this rather in the rainy season. The reason I say that is if the water level is too low, you get stuck to a lot of rocks. So I think in the rainy season there's an higher water level, and also, you know, the experience would be much more fun because it's a bit more, it gives a better thrill. Then enjoy the rest of the video, and then also stay tuned for the body floating at the end.
Okay. Ja, ruhig, ruhig. Ja, an der Kante jetzt. Ja, rechts. Dan ben je op weer... Ja, maar dan ga je een beetje in mijn lens toe gaan. Kom je bereikt dat je...